Watch me recreate this 90s Nailart design. Let's see if I have improved. It looks a mess. ASMR time.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be recreating a nail design that I attempted last year that I thought was so good, and looking back at it right now it is a hot mess. So I'll be recreating that design for today's video. So the acrylic that I'll be using in the cuticle area is extreme pink, and for the rest of the nail I will be adding various colors to the nail. So if you guys know how a 90s nail look, you will apply your acrylic first, and then you go in with the various gel polish or regular nail polish, and then you're going with your line work. But this time I'm switching it up a little bit different. I mean, I'm a little bit lazy, and one, I'm trying to avoid me going back and forth into the lamp so many times to cure, so I decided to reduce that amount of time that I will put my hands in there. So I'll be using acrylic for the tip portions. So I'll be going in adding the extreme pink like I will do an ombre nail. So I apply it to the cuticle area and fade it down to the end of the nail, toward the end of the nail, but not fully towards the nail. And after that, I will then go in with my various colors. So the colors that I'll be using is lime green, citrus, ice cream, orange, and jazzy blue. These are the colors that I'll be using for today. So how I tackle this is that I will go in, adding it, swishing it all over the place. So there's not no method to my madness, so because I want to be able to represent the 90s nails as best as I possibly can with the acrylic, because with the 90s nails is usually gel or nail polish that is being applied in this portion of the nail. So I'll go in with my various colors of swishing it all over the nail, so there's no method, there's no madness to my method. So I'll go in, swish it all over the nail, applying random colors all over. I pick and choose what color I want for each nail. So I decided that okay, pink and green, red and blue, so I don't have any method. So I'll do this to each of the nails. I mean, this was one of the easiest methods for me because this reduced my sitting time and also curing time. So now I'll be going in with my clear acrylic to encapsulate each of these nails. So these are the nails after I was through with the encapsulating. Yo, these nails are fire. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm literally ready for summer. Ready. So we'll jump on into the filing portion. So okay, now that portion is through, now we're going in with the Nailart portion. So I'll be speeding throughout this part because it's a lot of repetitiveness. Only thing that I want to tell you with this is that the 90s nails is a lot of lines, squiggly lines, a lot of dots. So don't overthink it, just let the hands go to work, sis. Because I was a little bit nervous, as you guys can see, like I did not know what to do. I tried to find a reference, nail art, because I thought I was doing everything wrong, but honestly you're never doing anything wrong when it comes on to 90s nails. Just go where the wind blows, sis. If you want to put circles, if you want to put swiggy lines, if you want to put those, I don't know what you call it. I definitely know what you call it, where you swish switch the brush on the nail to create some, like, I don't know. So whatever you want to put on the nails, lines, abstract, circles, all of that represents the 90s look. So I'll speed through this portion of the nail and then I will see you guys at the very end. One more thing that I definitely want to tell you guys, it's okay if the lines look lean, squiggly. It's not well done, because I struggle with line work and I love line work. So don't let this be a downer to you. Go in and do your nail art if your line is going north. Sis, next time that you try this design, I guarantee you that it will be going in the middle. I guarantee you. So practice becomes perfect or permanent. So continue practicing. You will get better at this. Trust and believe me. So mistakes, not well done lines, hands shaking while doing this, it is fine. That's a natural process. Nobody never born with a straight hand. I'll include a subtitle because I showed that you guys not going to understand what I just said a while ago. But yeah, practice becomes perfect. So don't worry if your lines are not as straight as how you want them to be. Make them as straight as how you think you can make them be, if that makes any sense, because it sounds confusing to me. But yeah. It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. Those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. Got these feelings. So these are the results. The results are looking so good right now. So after I was through with all the nail art portion, I'll cure for 60 seconds, then going with my top coat, my gel top coat, applying a thick layer to the nail. I think I did 2 coats for the nail because I was still feeling the nail art through the first top coat. So I'll cure each top coat for 60 seconds, add some cuticle oil, massage the area, and the results were great. I am really proud, really proud. So these are one of the reasons why you should have these type of videos, to go back and look at how you did then versus to how you did now. I'll try to do another video next year, hopefully, to see if I'm any better with this nail art. I'm really proud. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. And I will definitely see you guys in the next video.